Welcome to Must Modal Magic. Today, we'll explore the versatile modal verb must. Modals in English are auxiliary verbs that help express ability, possibility, necessity, or other conditions. Must is particularly special as it denotes obligation, strong recommendation, prohibition, and more. Let's dive into each of its functions to see how it works in different contexts. First, we have must used for obligation. This is when something is necessary or very important to do. For example, you must stop at a red light. You must wear a seatbelt while driving. Next up is must for strong recommendation. This is when you strongly advise or suggest that someone should do something. For instance, you must try this restaurant, the food is amazing. You must try the chocolate cake here. After that, we explore must to express logical conclusions. This is when you deduce something based on evidence or facts at hand. For example, she must be a teacher, she's carrying lots of books. If the lights are on, someone must be home. Now, let's talk about must not used for prohibition. This is when you want to indicate that something is not allowed. For instance, you must not smoke here. You must not smoke in the hospital. Then, we'll look at must used for certainty. This is when you are sure about something. For example, he must be at home, his car is in the driveway. She must be at work, her car isn't in the driveway. Following that is must have for expressing past necessity. This is used when something was very important to have been done in the past. For instance, she must have left early, she's not here anymore. She must have left early to catch the train. We'll also cover must for emphasizing personal opinions. When you really want to stress your own view on something, use must. For example, you must see this movie, it's fantastic. You must listen to this new album, it's fantastic. Lastly, we'll explore must not for indicating that something is not necessary. In this usage, must not means that there is no obligation to do something. For instance, you must not worry about it, everything will be fine. You must not worry about it, it's a minor issue. Remember, practice makes perfect. Check out our exercise videos to check your understanding further. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more.